Christmas is in full force here at Woking Shopping, and with a fantastic lineup planned for the panto themed light switch on extravaganza. We've got performances to look forward to from Brockwood Primary, Woking Rock Choir, West Byfleet Primary, Summer Scales, Halo Glow, and of course the man himself in the red suit alongside some extra special guests. As part of the Cinderella theme, we've got appearances from the fairy godmother, Cinderella herself, Prince Charming, and the transformation of 2 competition winners into panto dames for a big reveal live on stage. Stay tuned.
Thank you ever so much, that was great.
Woking Shopping is now officially ready for Christmas. The lights are on, and what a brilliant way to start off the festive period. There is truly everything you need here for ticking off those wish lists for all of the family, celebrating over a meal with loved ones, or to find that perfect party outfit. For all things Woking Shopping, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram using @Woking Shopping. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from Woking Shopping!
I do like to shop, don't you?
Oh, I do as well.
Yes.
Merry Christmas from Woking Shopping!
Merry Christmas from Woking Shopping!
Oh, hello there, and a very Merry Christmas from Woking Shopping!